Welcome to Quality Management MCQs Part 3. In this video, we will delve deeper into Six Sigma, process capability, and advanced defect analysis. Let's test your quality management knowledge. Question 41. A control chart shows 7 consecutive points steadily increasing but still within limits. What should the project manager conclude? The correct answer is C. The process shows a non-random trend indicating potential instability. This trend within control limits suggests special cause variation that needs investigation. Question 42. Costs spent on training, process automation, and supplier certification belong to which cost of quality category? The answer is B. Prevention costs. These activities are undertaken to prevent defects from occurring in the first place. Question 43. A team uses statistical sampling instead of inspecting every unit. What assumption must be valid for this method to work effectively? The correct answer is A. Defects occur randomly within the population. This randomness is crucial for statistical sampling validity. Question 44. A software team integrates automated unit testing early in development. What quality principle is primarily being applied? The answer is C. Built-in quality. Embedding quality checks early in the process reduces defects later on. Question 45. Root cause analysis shows most defects come from poorly defined interfaces between system components. What should the project manager prioritize? The correct choice is B. Improving integration design standards. Addressing the design process prevents recurring defects. Question 46. A process consistently produces outputs within control limits but very close to specification limits. What risk does this indicate? The answer is C. Potential future specification violations. Operating too close to the edge increases the risk of producing non-conforming outputs. Question 47. A quality audit reveals project processes differ slightly across teams performing similar work. What should the project manager do first? The best first step is A. Standardize the processes. Standardization improves consistency and reduces unwanted process variation. Question 48. A team uses Six Sigma methodology to reduce defects. What is the primary objective of Six Sigma? The primary objective of Six Sigma is B. Achieve near-perfect process performance, aiming for just 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Question 49. A project manager observes that defects decrease significantly after introducing a new automated validation system. What does this demonstrate? This demonstrates B. Effective defect prevention. Automation helps in preventing defects earlier in the process cycle. Question 50. A project manager wants to identify which process improvements will produce the largest quality benefit. Which technique should be used? The correct technique is A. Pareto analysis. This method identifies the vital few improvements that yield the largest impact on quality, following the 80-20 rule. Question 51. A project team compares its defect rates with those of industry leaders to identify improvement opportunities. Which technique is being applied? The answer is A. Benchmarking. This involves comparing project practices and performance metrics against those of best-in-class organizations. Question 52. A process produces results tightly clustered around a value slightly different from the target. What does this indicate? This indicates B. Precise but biased. The results are consistent, showing high precision, but shifted away from the desired target or accuracy. Question 53. A quality review identifies several minor defects that require minimal rework but occur frequently. What is the best next step? The best next step is B. Perform root cause analysis. Frequent defects, even minor ones, signal an underlying systemic problem that requires investigation. Question 54. A project team uses a run chart to monitor defect rates over time. What type of insight does this provide? A run chart provides insight into C. Trends in performance over time. It helps identify shifts or trends in process behavior. Question 55. A new manufacturing process shows minimal variation but frequently produces defective products. What is the most likely issue? The most likely issue is A. Poor process capability. Low variation is good, but if the process average is far from the specification target, many products will still be defective. Question 56. During project execution, the project manager encourages teams to continuously propose small process improvements. Which quality philosophy is being applied? The correct answer is B. Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy focused on continuous, incremental improvement involving all employees. Question 57. A defect discovered during customer use results in warranty claims and reputation damage. What type of quality cost does this represent? This represents D, external failure cost. These are costs incurred when defects are found after the product or service has been delivered to the customer. Question 58. A project manager notices that a control chart shows multiple points outside control limits. What should be the first response? The first response should be A. Stop the process and investigate special causes. Points outside limits indicate the process is out of control and needs immediate attention. Question 59. A project team identifies that improving supplier quality would significantly reduce product defects. What strategy should the project manager pursue? The best strategy is A. Supplier quality management and collaboration. Partnering with suppliers to improve their processes is key to reducing defects originating externally. Question 60. A project manager integrates quality metrics into executive dashboards reviewed during governance meetings. What is the primary benefit? The primary benefit is B. Increased stakeholder transparency and oversight. Executive dashboards ensure key decision makers have visibility into quality performance. Thank you for watching Quality Management Part 3. The next video, Part 4, will cover more advanced quality scenarios. We encourage you to like and subscribe to continue your project management journey.